All right, let's dive into a key concept for security analysts. Bring your own IP, also known as BYOIP.
So here's the big problem, right? You need better security, but you can't just change all your IP addresses.
And that's where BYOP comes in. You keep your own public IPs, but route traffic through a security provider. Think of it like this. You keep your office address, but you hire a super secure front desk team to screen everyone. So to the outside world, nothing changes. But internally, all your traffic gets scrubbed by the provider first. Now, as an analyst, you gotta weigh the pros and cons. You get great protection, but it can affect traffic visibility. So you might be thinking, why not just use the provider's IPs? It seems way easier, right? Well, it really comes down to this. Your IPs are already trusted, whitelisted, and baked into legacy systems. Basically, BYOP lets you upgrade security without breaking everything or starting a massive, painful migration. But before any of this can happen, you have to prove you actually own those IPs. Let's see how that works. This whole process is automated. It's a validation flow to make sure only the true owner can announce the IPs. And you can prove ownership in a few standard ways, like using an IRR record, a DNS record, or a ROA. Okay, so let's recap the key takeaways. This is the stuff you really need to know as an analyst.
Which brings us to the final question you need to ask. Is this the right move for your infrastructure?